Welcome back to our channel Tech World everybody. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can create a Trust Wallet account for yourself. So there is no such thing as account, and Trust Wallet is basically going to give you a 12-word recovery phrase. That's basically your account. Your entire account revolves around that 12-word recovery phrase. If you lose it, is basically like your account is being deleted. Or you can compare to that, because without that 12-word recovery phrase, you can't open a Trust Wallet. So I'm going to be teaching you how we guys can get those 12-word recovery phrase. But just remember, once you get those, please keep it in a safe and secure place. Because if you lose those, then you cannot recover your Trust Wallet account ever again. Now with that in your mind, if you guys are new to our channel, Tech World, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on with the video. Now the first step is to download Trust Wallet, which you can easily do from an app store. I'm going to show you how we guys can do that real quick. You're gonna just search for Trust Wallet and download it from over here. Once you download it, you open it. Once you open it, click on Create a New Wallet. Over here, click on I have read its terms and services and continue over here. Tick mark all these 3 boxes and continue over here. Copy this now. This is the 12-word recovery phrase which I'm talking about. Once you copy it, make sure to save it in a secure place, because if you lose it, you lose it. Alright, so just keep that in mind. So keep it in a secure place and move to the next step. And over here you got to choose the word according to the format it was given, and for me 100 was the first and then announced was the second, just like this. You got to keep on selecting a word over here. So make sure to select all the word, and after you select all the word in the correct order, what you need to do is after you select all the word, just clicking continue, and on the next step your wallet is created just like this. So that's how we guys can create yourself a Trust Wallet. It's that simple. And I'm saying it again and again. Do not lose the 12-word recovery phrase. Otherwise your account is done. Alright, so hope you guys understand. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Bye bye.